Dear friends, good morning, namaskar, salam, sat sri akal. You are welcome in part 5 of the series. Before we start, let us see what we have covered in part 4. We have discussed about the stimulus package of 20,000 crores offer for sanction to stressed MSMEs. In part 5, we have discussed the stimulus package of rupees 50,000 crores offer equity infusion for MSMEs through fund of funds. Undoubtedly, MSMEs face severe shortage of equity. The question arises how to infuse equity in MSME. Government offered to set up a fund of funds with a corpus of rupees 10,000 crores. Here question arises, what is fund of funds? ये fund of fund होता क्या है? Fund of fund FOF is a fund that invests in other mutual funds. It provides to the investors the benefit of low cost and diversification. In this, a manager decides to invest the funds in a portfolio of mutual funds, each managed by other mutual fund managers. FOF do not invest directly in stocks, bond और other securities. इस डेफिनेशन से क्या बातें निकलकर सामने आई, अब हम वो देखेंगे. नंबर 1, a FOF is a pooled fund that invests in other funds. Number 2, FOF usually invest in other hedge funds or mutual funds. Number 3, the FOF strategy aims to achieve broad diversification and minimum risk. Number 4, fund of funds tend to have higher expenses ratio than regular mutual funds. Number 5, FOFs attract small investors who want to get better exposure with fewer risk compared to directly investing in securities or in individual funds. Investing in FOF give the investor professional wealth management services and expertise. Number 6, investing in a FOF also allows investors with a limited capital to tap into diversified portfolios with a different underlying assets. Many of these would be out of reach for the average retail investor. For example, hedge funds typically require 6-figure minimum investment. इसका मतलब है कि कम से कम 1 लाख रुपए का इन्वेस्टमेंट कर सकते हैं. अब हम इसकी बैकग्राउंड में आते हैं. The original fund of funds was created by Barney Cornfield in 1962. In last 5 years, Alternate Investment Fund AIF have invested just rupees 3,582 crores into 338 startups. Of these, rupees 912.9 crores, that is 25% of the total investment till date, and 9% of rupees 10,000 crore committed in 2016 was from the government's fund of funds. According to information from the website of the SIDBI, that is Small Industrial Development Bank of India, the fund of funds is managed by SIDBI, which invests the money into alternate investment funds, that is IEF, which in turn invest in startups. We will see the fund status as on March 2019. Rupees 600 crores has been released by SIDBI. Further, a letter of comfort for rupees 1,600 crores has been provided by SIDBI in January 2018, taking the overall commitment to rupees 2,200 crores. SIDBI has further committed 2,265 crores to 40 AIFs. The AIFs have started investing in the startups, and 193 startups have received funding of rupees 1,150 crores from AIFs. As of March 2019, 583 funds had an average return of 3.95% year to date. Alternate funds investment can be invested in hedge fund, private equity, commodities, real estate, direct investment in startups and private companies, venture capital, fund of funds, private placement, debt. Who is eligible? The fund of funds corpus is to be utilized by Indian micro, small and medium enterprises that have an AAA rating. The AAA rating is indicative of high credit worthiness. It is the highest possible rating that is assigned by a major credit rating agency like CRISIL at an issuer's bonds. It shows that issuer MSME company has a good track record of meeting their financial obligations and also has the lowest risk of defaults. Scheme implemented through. In terms of structure, the fund of funds scheme will be managed by Mother's Fund in addition to a few Daughters Fund. It has been stated that FOF may be operated by the National Small Industrial Corporation NSIC or any other government body. Here two new words are used as Mother Fund and Daughters Fund. We will explain it. The Mother Fund, the government contribution would be 20%, that is 10,000 crore, and the remaining 80%, that is 40,000 crore, would be invested by Daughters Fund. The fund of fund is managed by SIDBI, which invests the money into alternate investment funds, which in turn invest in startups. Fund structure will help leverage of rupees 50,000 crores of funds at daughter funds level and will help to expand MSME size as well as capacity and will encourage MSMEs to get listed on main board of stock exchange. The scheme will cater to around 25 lakh MSMEs spread across India. Rupees 10,000 crore funds were in the works to buy 15% equity in MSMEs with high credit rating who want to list on the stock market. The fund would be managed by NSIC or any other government body. Within next 2 years, India's MSME ministry has been striving to grow the average rate of turnover of India's village industry to rupees 5 lakh crore from the current 88,000 crores. MSME village industries include India's Khadi sector. What is expected play a big role in aiding this goal as it is entering the arena of exports. In part 6, we will discuss about rupees 30,000 crores liquidity facility for NBFCs, HCs, MFIs, because we have already discussed in our previous parts about new definitions and restrictions on global tender by government department up to 200 crores. 2,500 crore EPF support for business and workers. EPF contribution reduced to business and workers for 3 months. Rupees 6,750 crores. Now this provision is also relaxed to voluntary provision. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and push bell icon to get notification immediately after release of next video that will come on next Thursday. आप इसे गुरुवार अथवा बृहस्पतिवार भी कह सकते हैं. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you. धन्यवाद. शुक्रिया. Now bye.